Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 29th of June. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. This week we have Nickel Mines, XRF Scientific, Lindsay Australia, Evolution Mining and Centuria Industrial. So if you have a request, please send it through. Make sure you're getting the free newsletter, but my best stock tips come out on Tuesday in the Dynamic Investor Report, so make sure you are subscribing to that report. But if you do enjoy these videos, I'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is in portfolio management, so if you have more than $500,000 to invest and you'd like my personal help, then please give me a call, and all the advice here is general only. So we've got the daily chart here of Nickel Mines. In terms of what's happened recently, what we've noticed is we had this sort of false break here in May. So we had a situation where it broke under support only to launch back up, and normally that's a bullish sign. So that was, I guess, the first buy signal. We can see it has come back to this region, but we could see some pretty good bouncing off support here. So it looks like it does want to head higher. I'd consider, now that it's not too far away from this obvious support level, you could consider this as a buying opportunity with a tight stop right here. And then of course, once it clears this level here near $1, you can then potentially add to the position. So XRF Scientific, we could see it's got a nice uptrend to it. What we've noticed is it's obviously had a good run up here most recently in April on very big volume, but of course, quite overextended from $1 to $1.40. So naturally you'd get some sort of consolidation. So it has pulled back, but it's been on lower volumes, which is a positive sign. And it looks like we've got this sort of outside day reversal here. So a bit of support around this $1.10 region. Then yesterday it's had that reversal, so potentially a new buy signal, and it should continue on into the uptrend. Okay, Lindsay Australia, look, another stock it has had a decent uptrend, but it looks like if that uptrend is over for the moment. If we're looking at the highs, we're looking at the lows. It's clearly broken that low. Break the uptrend, sliding down. Does seem to be leveling out. If we look at this MACD, it looks like it almost wants to give us a buy signal, and potentially double bottom there. Too early to be buying, so you'd wait for some sort of reversal. Run a tight stop if you get a decent bounce. So one just worth keeping an eye on. Okay, Evolution Mining. So it's had some nice sort of trends recently. A few months ago, even sort of late last year, this is one that we've been trading, but a couple of months ago it did become a very crowded trade. Everyone was bullish on gold, and we could see that sort of final sort of fear of missing out move higher, and now it's just consolidating backwards. So still sliding back. Does seem to be slowing down, but still a bit too early to be buying into it. But obviously one worth to keep an eye on. Okay, and finally Centuria. So most recently we had this sort of pullback here, leveled out, sort of started to break out here, 310. So in this space here in early May, it was looking pretty bullish, but this consolidation, instead of just being sideways, it did start to pull back a bit more, and we could see, sharp declines here. So quite a bit of volatility here. Ideally on the pullbacks, we'd like to see, if you were bullish this stock, you'd want to see small movements like this, not big movements like that. So look, we'll see what happens. Obviously it's bounced pretty well here, but it does seem to have couple of clear levels, so resistance and support. So basically I'd treat this support level as the sell zone if it fell under that, and I'd prefer to see it clear this peak before I'd be buying it. Okay, well that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through and I'll try to cover it next Thursday.